Okay, here we are in Albuquerque. We're going to take a walk down and check out the trains here. First chance I really had to do this since we've been so far behind. So let's check it out. There is the Albuquerque sign right there.
Okay, I'll bump it up to 30 now. Okay, thank you.
Okay, we're gonna go down here and check out the vendors and see what they have. Heard they have some pretty cool stuff here, so we'll check that out and see what it looks like. And okay, try not to get run over by this lady here. Okay, here we go. All right, hey. I'm thinking maybe the vendors aren't here today. Me here, got money, can't spend it. Ain't that something? So anyway, normally I think they would be right in here, but I do not see them today. Bummer. I was looking forward to seeing some vendors. Oh well. I don't think they're down here. I'm gonna go check. Okay, I'm gonna shut her down here.